Hello everyone, my name is Cosmin Kiauru and today we will be solving an exercise about speeding. So you're driving and the police officer stops you. He can either give you no ticket, a small ticket or a big ticket. That means our method has three possible outputs. So you get 0 for no ticket, 1 for a small ticket, that means your speed is between 61 and 80, and you can get a 2, a big ticket, in case your speed is between 81 and infinity, just bigger than 81. But if it is your birthday, then this margin needs to be 5 bigger. So if you get 62 kilometers and it's your birthday, then you get an output of 0, so you get no ticket. And otherwise, if it wasn't your birthday, you would have gotten a 1, a small ticket. And the same, if you go 83, for example, on your birthday, you get a small ticket instead of a big ticket. Alright. So in order to make our method easier and closer to being optimal, we will just subtract 5 from the speed in case it is your birthday. So if this the second argument is birthday, which is a boolean. So if this is true, then speed is equal to speed minus 5. This way we don't need to do 3 different cases for when it's your birthday and 3 different cases for when it's not your birthday. So now we can do more if statements. If speed is bigger than 60, bigger than 80, then we will return 2. If speed is bigger than 60, then we will return 1. If none of these are true, we'll just return 0. So the reason why I wrote the code like this is to show you that once our method returns something, it stops there. It doesn't go further in the code. Once it returns, the method ends, alright? So in case you have a speed of 90, it will go inside this if here, and it will return 2, and it won't go to the next lines. And the same here, if the speed is smaller than 60 or 60, then it will just go further and return 0 in the end, alright? And in order to check if our code is correct, we are going to print a few instances of this method, alright? So let's print code speeding with speed 62 and true. And then 62 and false. Alright, now let's try 83 and true, 83 and false, 66 and true, 66 and false, and then we can just try 50. Alright, so now when we are going to do this, we can see that we get 0 for when this is true, when your birthday is true, and 1 when it is false, and so on. 1 here and 2 here, 1 for both of these, and then 0 for both of these. So as we can see, our method is indeed correct. Alright then, this has been it. I will see you next time. Bye bye.